The power of a strong immune system, your body's ultimate defense in today's fast-paced world. Maintaining a strong immune system is crucial for overall health and well-being. Your immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend your body against harmful invaders such as bacteria, viruses, and toxins. Understanding how this system functions and what you can do to strengthen it can make a significant difference in your health. Functions of the immune system. The immune system has three primary functions. Protection against pathogens. Your immune system identifies and eliminates harmful microorganisms that can cause infections and diseases. Eliminating harmful cells. It detects and removes abnormal cells, preventing conditions such as cancer from developing unchecked. Healing and recovery. The immune system helps repair damaged tissues and supports the body's recovery process after illness or injury. How to strengthen your immune system. A well-functioning immune system requires consistent effort in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Here are some effective ways to enhance your immune defense. Nutritious diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Regular exercise. Physical activity improves circulation and supports immune cell function. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is essential for immune health, helping the body recover and regenerate. Hydration. Drinking enough water aids in detoxification and overall cellular function. Stress management. Chronic stress weakens immunity, so incorporate relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and mindfulness. Supplements. Consider vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc to boost immunity, especially during cold and flu season. Take action for your health. Your immune system is your body's best defense against illness. By making conscious choices to support it, you can enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. If you like this video, drop a comment below, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.